Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to add conditional formatting in Smartsheet 2025. If you're managing projects or data in Smartsheet, this feature can make your sheets more intuitive and visually striking by highlighting important info automatically. Let's jump right in. First, what's conditional formatting? It's a powerful tool that changes the look of cells based on rules you set. For instance, you could turn cells red if a deadline is missed or green if targets are met. It's all about making your data pop at a glance. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and have your sheet open. Step 1. Select the cells or range you want to format. Just click and drag to highlight them. Step 2. Head to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down, choose Conditional Formatting. This will open a pane on the right side of your screen. Step 3. In the Conditional Formatting pane, click Add Rule. Here, you'll define your conditions, like if the cell value is greater than 100 feet or if the date is past due. Step 4. Once your condition is set, pick the formatting style. Options include changing the background color, font color, or even adding icons for better visibility. Step 5. Hit Apply to see the magic happen. Your sheet will update instantly based on your rules. You can always edit or add more rules if needed. A quick tip for 2025. Smartsheet might have slight interface updates, but this process stays straightforward. Experiment with multiple rules to layer your formatting. There you have it, conditional formatting made simple. This can save you tons of time in your workflows. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more Smartsheet tips, and drop a comment below with your questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.